been like an hour or so just walking around Moose Pond, but you know, we'll see how we go. Just gonna keep trying. I reckon what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head back to the boat soon, get some topwater lures and try and see if I can get like maybe a GT or a trout off that, just out in a bit deeper, potentially, if I can't find anything in here. But just keep having a look and see if I can find anything else.
Wow, give me the slip. Seeing some bit more fish action in here, so hoping there's going to be something good. Oh, oh, got one. Got him. Yoo. Yeah, baby. We're eating. We're eating. We're eating. We got a Moses perch and we're eating. That was the arsiest shot, but we're on. Casey's gonna be eating sand. We're gonna be eating fish. Yoo! Hell yeah. Oh, got him.